am Rajarashmi SI from Vidyarashmi First Grade College, Savanur. Now I am taking first year BCom Strategic Management. We already see the meaning and all the features of strategic management. Once again, strategic management is a plan or action to achieve the long-term goal. So, this class we see the fundamentals of the strategic management. So, what is the fundamental to be observed while planning for the strategic in the organization? And that first one is long-term objectives. So, the main aim of the strategic management is to have a long-term objective which should be achieved. So, all the directions, all the actions are made by the management towards the achievement of the organizational goals. That is why there should be a good plan of action. So, it is strategic. So, good strategic management guides the company towards the achievement of organizational goals. The next one is define the scope. Scope means Vyapti. So, where the product should be distributed, where which type of product should be produced, which market we have to select, whether national market or international market. Taking into consideration all these factors, scope of our product, we have to fix one strategy. So, ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇಲ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಯಾವ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡುವಂತಹ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಇದೊಂದು ಸ್ಕೋಪನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ ಅದರ ಬೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ದ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಟಜಿ ಆಫ್ ದ ಕಂಪನಿ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಕಂಪನಿ. The next one is competitive advantages. When we are having a strategy, it should see the strategy of the competitors also. If any competitors advantages is there in their product, we have to see how to apply for our company. We have to see the opposite side or rival competitors strategy, then we have to make our own plans to overcome that competition in the market. ನಮ್ಮ ರೈವಲ್ ಅವರು, ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಟರ್ಸ್ ಅವರು ಏನು ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಟಜಿ ಇದೆಯಾ ಅದನ್ನು ನೋಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಅವರಿಗಿಂತ ನಮ್ಮದು ಅಚೀವ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಲಿಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಆಗುವಂತಹ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನ್ ನಾವು ಸೆಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಟಿವ್ ಅಡ್ವಾಂಟೇಜಸ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಡ್ವಾಂಟೇಜಸ್ ಓವರ್ ಅವರ್ ರೈವಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ ರೈವಲ್ ಕಂಪನೀಸ್. ದೆನ್ ಲಾಜಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್, that means we have to plan or have a strategic policy which is arranged in logically manner. How logically or step by step we can achieve our organizational goal. So ಹೇಗೆ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಬೈ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಪಲ್ಲಿ ಲಾಜಿಕಲ್ ವೇಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಗೋಲನ್ನು ಅಥವಾ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನನ್ನು ನಾವು ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ನೋಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಲಾಜಿಸ್ಟಿಕಲ್ way, that is step by step achievement of the organizational goals. Then adoption of course of action. If you are setting one strategy, then we have to see, that means the top management should guide the employees or the firm how to take the actions to overcome that our goal objective of the business. So it should plan how to make the actions, how to make our goal in reality. ಅದನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ರಿಯಾಲಿಟಿ ತರಬೇಕು, ಏನು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಷನ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು ಎಂಬುದನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಷನ್, ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದ ಹೋಲ್ ಪವರ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್. Especially the strategic management, that is strategy or the policy is always made by the top management. So the whole power is with the hand of the top management. So it should be, strategy should be concentrative in the hands of the top management. Then allocation of resources. While achieving our goal, we have to see whether the resources of the organization are best utilized. There should not be wastage of resources. It should be best possible way it should be utilized to achieve our organizational goal. So the top management should set a strategy in such a way that we can best utilize our resources of the organization. ನಮ್ಮ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂತಹ ರಿಸೋರ್ಸನ್ನು ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ವೇಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗೆ ನಾವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಎನ್ನುವುದನ್ನು ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ನೋಡಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗುವಂತಹ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಟಜಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಸೆಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ದೆನ್ synergy. Synergy means it is the way how it will guide the organization towards the achievement of the goals, how to plan it, how to take the actions, how it will be synergized to achieve its goals. Then coordination and committed leadership. So when you adopt or set a goal, it should be coordinate all the department of the organization. At the same time, it should be given with a best leader. It should be worked in a best manner. It should be given to the committed leaders. So, ಏನು ನೀವು strategy ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, it should coordinate all the department, all the managers, all the employees in the organization, and we have to select a committed leader for that each work. Or to overcome these problems, we have to set one best strategy to coordinate all the department and to commit a leadership. Then competition. So our strategy should be set in such a way that we have to compete with other organization in the best possible way, and we have to win in the organization, win with the competitors strategy. Then security. The strategic management, the main purpose of the strategic management is to provide security to the organization by predicting the future events. It should predict the future events so as to secure the organization. ಹೇಗೆ ಸೆಕ್ಯೂರಿಟಿ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ನಮ್ಮ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಗೋಲನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ನಾವು ಸೆಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಅದನ್ನು ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಗೋಲನ್ನು ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿವನ್ನು ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದಂತ ನೋಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗುವಂತಹ ಸೆಕ್ಯೂರಿಟಿಯನ್ನು ಪ್ರೊವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಫಂಡಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಟಜಿಕ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಸೊ ಓವರ್, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.